How to change your age on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you the steps to update your age on Discord. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open a web browser. On any device, you can simply open any preferred web browser, and once you're inside that browser, you can simply tap on the search bar and simply type Discord submit a request and simply search for it. And after the searching for that, you can simply click on the first result that appears. And after tapping on that, and under what can we help you with section, you can simply select appeals and age update request. And after that, you need to enter your email address. And under how can we help you, you can simply choose update my age information. And you can see the phone number box, but adding a phone number is optional. And after that, you can enter your correct birth date in the designated field, and in the subject field you can simply type something like age verification request. And in the description field you can simply type, can you help update my age? And for this you will need to upload a clear photo of yourself along with a valid ID such as driver license to verify your actual age. You can click on add file or drop files here, or upload an existing image showing both your face and ID. But before submitting, check the box confirming that you have read and understood the requirements, and finally click submit and you are all set. And after that, Discord support team should review your request and respond within 1 or 2 days. And that's how you can change your age on Discord. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.